I took my laptop and this Dollar Tree wallpaper, and girl, look what I did. Let me show you how. Welcome back, everyone. So this is her. I got this laptop about 2 years ago at my favorite store, Costco. It's just a basic HP Chromebook, and I'm going to remove the stickers that I put on years ago. Of course, no job is complete unless you're interrupted by a cat. Here's Memite. So I took the stickers off, and here is the wallpaper. I got this wallpaper from Dollar Tree, if you saw in the title. I really wanted a cover for my laptop after I bought this keyboard and mouse. I just wanted something cute and pink to match. But when I looked them up, they were more expensive than the keyboard and mouse together, the covers. So I decided that I was just gonna do it myself. I remembered I had seen these wallpaper panels at the Dollar Tree, and I knew the assignment. So here I am just measuring out and trying to figure out how I want to attack this. I'm not methodical. I'm not going to use like a piece of tape or even a pencil. I'm just going to slap the sucker down and cut a general like measurement. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to cut her down into the size of my laptop. And honestly, it was kind of hard to choose a panel at the Dollar Tree because they had a lot to choose from, and they were all really, really cute. So I ended up buying a couple and then deciding which one I wanted once I got home, because I wanted to see which ones I thought looked better with the keyboard and mouse. This laptop and keyboard thing is not going anywhere. It's staying at my house, but I like nice looking things. That's the Taurus in me. So I couldn't help when I got that to have this gray laptop and then like this cute keyboard. So we had to make something work. So here I am just going to slap it down. You see how easy it just peeled off from that the backing, and it was really, really sticky. I was impressed. So I just basically put it down in the basic shape. You can see that it's still overlapping in some areas, and in other areas it actually wasn't big enough. So on the areas that it overlapped, I just took these little scissors from my daughter and I just cut along the edges of the keyboard, or not the keyboard, but of the laptop, just straight across, and I was able to get a decent line. It wasn't anything special. Like I said, I'm not a perfectionist. This isn't for anyone but my own consumption, and just something I wanted to look nice. Here is my other worker, Mesita. She loves this laptop. Anytime I take this laptop out, she's going to try to get on top of it. She never wants me to do anything with it. She thinks it's her bed. So of course, there's always a cat distraction. You can never get anything done without a cat coming in to just see what you're doing and make sure they can interrupt you in any kind of way. But Mesita's a lot of fun. She likes to play a lot. She's a handful, and she keeps me on my toes. There were so many cute wallpaper designs to choose, like I said, at Dollar Tree, so I had a hard time choosing, but this one ultimately I felt met my aesthetic, and it also matched the keyboard and mouse perfectly, so I knew I'd made the right choice. And now that I have it, it looks really nice together, and I'm glad that I did this. I'm glad I saved my money and I paid $1.25, and I'm making this work. I did get a couple panels just in case because I wasn't sure what to expect. Look at this disrespect. Y'all see this? I can't even get a job done. It's crazy. And then she wants to act like she's gonna help. Stop it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm happy I ended up getting this pattern. It turned out really, really nice, and I'm pleased with it. I know that there's an edge free there, and I'm gonna show you what I ended up doing to fix that. The disrespect of it all. So I was trying to debate if I was going to put the panel on the inside too. I'd seen some pictures that came with them and I wasn't quite sure, so ultimately I decided what the heck, I could go for it. I can always take them off if I don't like it, so we went for that. I'm just measuring that out here, and you can see just how easy that peels off and then just sticks down. And I did this about a week or so ago, and so far I have had no issues with this whatsoever. They have all stuck, nothing has come up, nothing has been a problem. The computer obviously still works as it should, and I am happy with this decision. So I'm just going to trim the excess off of this side here before moving on to the next side. Here, my supervisor's just inspecting my work, making sure that I did a good job and letting me know that I missed some spots. So I'm gonna have to go back and correct those. She's very efficient. See, look, she's just cracking the whip. So I'm trying to make sure that she is happy and pleased. I don't think she is. The disrespect, you guys. This is what I have to live with. Can you believe that? Now look at this. She looks pretty good if I say so myself. This is with the mouse and the keyboard that I got. I did go around the edges with some washi tape that I already had, and it turned out really nice. I am proud of what I did. Here is the cat crew obviously watching over me and making sure that I act right. I thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think about my $1.25 DIY laptop cover. See you, love you, bye.